got the Zivsivc wireless earbuds with 5.1 Bluetooth technology. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. I was actually looking for something to wear while I was out on my dog walks, and something that I could use to answer the phone, because I talk on the phone a lot when I got the leash in my hand. I want to make sure that I'm hands-free. Makes it a lot easier for me. Just to show you how this shipped real quick, and then I'll demonstrate it and I'll hook it up to Bluetooth for you. Ships in a very nice package, nice box, protected in styrofoam. You get a USB cable and 2 extra pairs of earbuds. There's actually a small pair on it already, and it looks like there's a medium and a large. And I also want to point out that this was covered in plastic very nicely on the top. And when you open this up for the first time, right here, as you can see, there's a piece of plastic that lines over the contacts on here to keep them from discharging while they are in transportation. And if you want to hook this up, the first time, hook up to your phone, you just pick one of them up and turn on your Bluetooth, and it's going to search, and you're looking for that HBQ Q82 number right there. It's pretty simple. I haven't even done it yet. Let's see what happens. Pairing request, yes, and we're connected for calls and audio. It was that simple. That was the first time I did it, I swear. Let's put these things in, see how comfortable they are. Left channel, it said. If I start talking louder, it's because these things are blocking out the sound pretty good. The charging case has a nice cover on it, you can see. And there's a display in here that'll tell you how much it's actually charged. And then if you want to charge it, on the bottom, there's a USB cable that goes in underneath of here that comes with you plugging in. And this also acts as a charging bank. Let me pull these out because I'm screaming. Good sound protection there. You can plug a device into there with the USB cable and charge it. Charge your phone, whatever, if you're out on the road traveling. That's a cool feature. These earbuds also feature an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means you could submerge them in a meter of water for 30 minutes. Why you would ever want to do that, I don't know. That tells me if you're using them while you're working out and sweating a lot, this shouldn't be an issue at all. And if you're out walking and you get caught in the rain, it shouldn't be a problem at all. So that's a cool feature, IPX7 waterproof rating. I just went on a video site and found one of my own songs. I'm actually surprised at how good it sounded. I wanted to make sure I got a song that I was familiar with, and obviously I'm very familiar with the song that I wrote, So the way this works, it's got a play pause feature on here. If you press it once, you play the song. If you press it again, you can pause it. If you press it twice, it'll go to the next song. And according to the literature, if you press it 3 times, it will go to the previous song. Now, these can be used individually too. According to the literature, you can use these one at a time if you like, which actually I might like for the phone feature of it. I was surprised at how loud they were, and I was surprised at the bass response we got in here. They sounded really good. The sound quality to me sounded good. Right, considering what you can get these for, this is a great alternative to just buying a Bluetooth headset piece, for me anyway, because the only time I'm probably going to use these is out walking the dog. I just tried this out on the phone, and I'm really pleasantly surprised at how well it sounded, considering, you know, what they go for on here. I'm really quite surprised. If you want to answer a phone call in here, you just tap it once. If you want to end a phone call, you just tap it again. If you want to reject the phone call, you can double tap one of these and it'll reject it. So that was pretty cool. So if you're looking for a set of earbuds to check out, maybe it's your first set of earbuds, maybe you need a spare set of earbuds, maybe you need something to travel with. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank, something that you can answer phone calls with, listen to music with, and has an IPX7 waterproof rating, check out these by Zivsivc. Check them out.